Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. We are back again. We are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here and thanks for having us. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing scrap metal art welding projects ideas. These ideas for beginners. So let's get started. Scrap metal art is an exciting and fulfilling way to create unique custom works of art using discarded and unused metal. Welding is the process of fusing metal together using heat and pressure. It is an essential technique for creating scrap metal art. If you are interested in learning how to create scrap metal art welding projects, this video will provide you with a list of beginner-friendly ideas you can start it at your home. Welding is an excellent beginner project for those interested in scrap metal art. You can use a variety of metal pieces from old license plates to rusty gears to create a unique and eye-catching pieces. Welding the metal pieces together can be a tricky one, but with the practice and patience, you can create a beautiful piece of wall art and that will last for a year at your home. To get started, collect a variety of metal pieces in different shapes and sizes. Then lay out the pieces on a flat surface to get an idea how you want the final piece to look. Once you have general idea, use a welder or a fuse the metal piece together. If you are new to welding, it's essential to take your safety precautions first, such as welding gear, welding bearings, gloves, welding mask, and protect yourself from heat and sparks and other injuries. Creating scrap metal art for your garden is another fun and beginner-friendly project. You can create garden stacks, structure, and even a birdhouse using scrap metal. The key to successfully gardening is to use metal pieces that will withstand an element such as rusted metal or the cleavage steels. One of the simple projects is to get you started in a metal bulb flower garden stake. To make this project, you will need a piece of rebar or the other sturdy metal for the stake and a variety of metal pieces for the flowers. Then you can use anything from old spoons to the bottle cap to create the flower petals. Weld the flower pieces together, then attach them to the stake, and voila, you have a unique garden decoration. Creating a metal structure can be more challenging than wall art and the garden, but it's also incredible rewarding ideas. The key to creating successful metal sculptures is to plan to your designing in advance and take your time with the welding process. One fun sculpture idea for beginner is a metal animal sculpture. Take this project, use an element you had like to create and gather on material pieces that can be shaped into the animal feature. For example, you might use a metal pipe for the body, old bike chain. Yourself enthusiasts or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do it by yourself project that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project and how to create them. Scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin.
A metal garden trails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you can use a variety of scrap metal pieces to create a trails that fit your garden style. Start by creating frame for your trails using scrap metal pieces, then add additional pieces of scrap metal to create a trails pattern. Once you have completed your trails, you can use it to support climbing plants and add some visual interest to your gardens. A fire pit made from scrap metal is a great addition to your backyard. You will need a large metal bowl or a bucket and some scrap metal pieces to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal pieces together to create a base of your fire pit. Then place the metal bowl or a bucket on top of the base and add some wood or charcoals. Once your fire pit is lit, you will enjoy a cozy fire on a cool evening. A metal bookshelf made from a scrap metal is a great way to add some industrial style to your home. You will need some scrap metal pieces and some wooden shelves to create this project. Start by welding a scrap metal pieces together to create a frame for your bookshelf. Then attach a wooden shelf to the frame using screws. Once your bookshelf is complete, you can use it to display your favorite books and the decorative item. You can also make a beautiful metal planter. Metal planter made from scrap metal is a great way to add some greenery to your home. You will need a variety of scrap metal pieces and